bird on a tree.
Alright, what's up guys? So today we are exploring this beautiful creek behind us. We are in New York right now. So we're basically just going to be exploring and trying to find some creatures, maybe some snakes and salamanders and hopefully some bullfrogs, and we'll be able to do a catch and cook, whatever. But yeah.
So we're just going to be heading up this creek down here.
Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah, we're just going to see what we can find. So yeah, let's get straight to it. Okay guys, so first catch of the day. Ryan, how does it look?
I have no idea what type of salamander it is.
Okay. Who's that? Hey. Oh, okay.
Got it?
Trying to. Oh, it just keeps slipping. Crap, where did it go?
Is it?
I think I did. Dang it.
That's okay. Salamanders are everywhere.
Dude, it's so slippery.
I found a golden salamander, which I think is super rare.
Yeah?
When I was in New York here.
Yeah?
And so we'll add that in. Because I have some footage from New York and I caught a ton of salamanders.
Okay, so let's just flip rocks then.
This is cool.
Yeah. Whoa, frog. Oh, I think I got that in video though. So that's cool. What?
Wait, where'd it go?
Jumped in right here.
Huh?
Jumped in right here. Nope, nothing.
I see it.
What? But tell me what it is, I want to catch it. How did you see that?
Crap.
I see him. Ready?
That rock.
Ready? I'm gonna flip it up. And go.
It's so muddy. That's not looking over. There's like a little leopard frog.
Oh, it was? Cool. Okay. I don't know how you saw him, man.
Well, there's no other place to go, and I saw like a little wrinkle. I'm like, oh, there it is.
Yeah, but look on the sides. Once I saw a pretty decent bullfrog, actually. Oh, over here is probably something. Okay. Got him. Got him. Okay, guys.
Dude, well, look at all this. Look at all these worms.
Look at this. We just caught 2 salamanders. Dude, the worms here are massive. Right? Look at that.
Salamanders. I have no idea.
Let's put them back under the log. Oh, why not?
Take a step back.
Now too.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Ryan just caught this bullfrog. I'm holding it though because he wanted to get the camera. But yeah, that is a good sign if we want to do a survival challenge out there. I mean, look at those legs. Look at those meaty legs. Not the meatiest, but the meaty.
Yeah,
I don't know why I'm saying that.
It's edible. Like, we can eat it.
Yeah. So that is awesome. That's a good sign. So we're gonna probably go to a couple more locations. Couple like goalies.
Oh, so there, got it.
Couple more goalies. And do a survival challenge in one of them. And there's another creek right by a house that's bigger ones than this. Ryan caught it, thanks to him. Look at that. Oh, that was a beauty.
It's still there.
Beautiful. Okay, looks like we're gonna find some more animals on the way down. So
Look at that action.
yeah, that is awesome, dude. Wow.
Alright.
Awesome. Dude, we're gonna go catch some more animals for you guys.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Oh, that's good.
Okay guys, I just got a little leopard frog.
Might be a bullfrog, I don't know.
What?
I have no idea what that
It's
is.
either a leopard frog or a really tiny bullfrog. But yeah, nice catch. I really don't want to carry you out.
Holy crap, you had this loose.
What?
I said, holy crap, you had this loose. This is the dangerous part. Whoa! Dude, there's another waterfall. One sec. Yo, this is so sick. Woo! Yeah. Yo, this is a dope water slide. Let's just hope I don't go in it. Woo! Yes. All right, let's go back. Wait, this is not the way I came up. Maybe it is. I don't know. What? You'll see, it's amazing back there. It is crazy, dude. Now I just gotta get down without dying. All right, getting down is very scary and hard. One slip up could send me all the way down there.
Meant to be
Dude.
in the great outdoors, forever free.
What? What's up, wait.
Hey guys, we just climbed this waterfall. You guys saw Valiant do it, but I just did it, and it was absolutely amazing.
We did it without the camera just to get that pristine experience. It was amazing.
It was awesome, guys.
Thank you, Chase, for taking me out here. It is wonderful. Like that waterfall you saw behind there. It's just a gorgeous day outside. Like I don't know what to say.
What else is there to say? It's just an awesome place.
It's a great experience. I took a swim in that little pool, as you saw.
And guys, we will definitely do more videos out in places like this. Hopefully the next place we go should have turtles, a lot more snakes. And yeah, so hopefully we can do an open night survival challenge for you guys. But
yeah, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and like and do the bell so you can see more adventures like this. This is more of an adventure video.
Yeah. Well, we're just hyped up right now. We just climbed that. It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, it's more of an adventure video. We didn't catch too many animals, but just look out for more.
Fine.
Yeah, I mean, that was amazing.
You guys gotta see Valiant climb up that.
Yeah, and slip a few times.
I slipped once.
And almost died.
Better than Valiant.
Well, look at that. Alright, thank you all for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
See ya. Peace.